Hey everyone, Ronak this side. I hope you all are doing well. So let's see the problem of the day. So the problem here we are given is maximum total subarray value part 1. Okay. So basically what we are given is we have to create the subarray. I mean create the number of k subarrays. For example here k is 2. So we have to create the two subarrays such that the value of subarrays, I mean the total value of sum of all subarrays is maximum. Let's take this as an example first. And we we created a two sub array here. For example, one contains 1 and 3, another contains 2 and 3, and here it says the sub arrays may overlap and the exact same sub array can be chosen more than once. Okay, so our sub array can overlap or we can choose the same sub array more than once. So for example, here we choose 1 and 3 and 3 and 2. Okay, two sub array. So basically the value we have to return the maximum possible total value. And what is total value? Total value equal to sum of values of sub array. And what is value of a sub array? The value of a sub array equal to, I mean, for example, sub array is like nums of sub array is nums of L comma R from L to R. Okay, so the value equal to value of sub array, and from index L to R, what it gonna be? It gonna become maximum on that range, that it nums L till R minus minimum on that range. Okay, nums L till R. Okay, so what basically it's saying is the value of first sub array 1 and 3 was, I mean, maximum here is, and 1 and 3, maximum is 3, minimum is 1, and 1 minus 3 equal to 2. Here maximum is, I mean, what is the maximum here? Okay, so here maximum is 3 and minimum is 2, so maximum minus minimum equal to 1. Okay, so what will be the total value if we choose in this way? I mean, if we choose this subarray and this subarray, what will the total value? Total value gonna become sum of these two values, that is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, and what if we, so here we got 3. What if we choose another combinations for, let's consider the combination we choose here now is 1 and 3, and second is 1 3 2. Okay, we can choose 1 3 twice. Okay, none of that matters. So here minimum, the value of this is maximum minus minimum. Maximum is 3, minimum is 1. The value of this is maximum minus minimum. Maximum is 3, minimum is 1. So it's gonna become 2. It's gonna become 2, and 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, so if we choose in this way, it's gonna become 4. Okay, so what basically we have to do is we have to choose the greatest element of that array and the least element of that array too, so we can get that. Okay, so for example we have given an array 1 2 3 till 10. Okay, so simply here if you notice here it's written as sub arrays may overlap, the exact same sub array can be chosen more than once. So for example we're gonna choose the entire sub array twice. Okay, so sub array 1 is this and sub array 2 is this. What is the maximum of this sub array? The maximum of array, max of array, and minimum of this is the minimum of array, for k1 k2, I mean the number of k. So what will be the total value of this? So value of this is gonna become maximum minus minimum, that is 1 minus 10 equal to 9, and the total value equal to 9 into number of sub array, because every time we are selecting the same sub array. So the value, for example here we are given k equal to 4. So what we have to return 36. So basically what we have to do is, I mean, get minimum of array, get maximum of array, calculate the difference between maximum and minimum, that is max minus min, and return, I mean, difference times k. Okay, the number of sub arrays. So what we're doing, we are selecting the whole array as a sub array. So if this is an array, we are selecting the whole array as a sub array in k times. It's k times selecting the whole sub array as an array and returning it the minimum and maximum of array. So if we code it, it's simply gonna int list equal to 0, int most equal to, I mean, int list equal to int max, int most equal to int main. Okay, and for int it, for every item on nums, what we are going to do, we are going to list equal to minimum of list and that item. Wait a second, and most, I mean, most equal to maximum of minimum of that item. Okay, so if we code it, it's simply gonna int list equal to 0, int max, int most equal to int main. Okay, and for int it, for every item on nums, what we are going to do, we are going to list equal to minimum of list and that item. Wait a second, and most, I mean, most equal to maximum of most and that item, and after getting list and most we have to calculate the difference. So long difference equal to, so long difference equal to most minus list. We can take it as int also, and now we can gonna take long answer equal to k times difference. Okay, and now just return the answer. So I think the time complexity here gonna become big of, wait a second, what's there, list, L-E-A-S-T. So I'm saying the time complexity here gonna become big of n, and here again we forgot the semicolon, and space complexity we are not using any extra space, so space complexity gonna remain constant. Okay, so that's the total time complexity and space complexity of our code. I don't know what's so let's see, pass it or not. So if we discuss the time complexity here, time complexity is big of n, and space complexity gonna become big of 1. Okay, so the solution is too easy because we are allowed to have, when we are allowed to have the exact same subarray from range L to R more than once. Okay, so we are allowed to choose the same subarray more than once, and for that, what if we aren't allowed that was the version 2, that I think we are going to do it tomorrow. Till then, you can give it a try. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video. So please make sure to subscribe to Tenzor. Till then, keep smiling, keep coding.